Putting in the bobbin correctly on the Pfaff Ambition 620 sewing machine will guarantee that you always have a perfect stitch. So a couple little things that I always teach my students. Number one, you do need to use the bobbins that are designed for this machine. So this bobbin is considered a class 15 plastic bobbin. Now, not a metal bobbin, plastic, and that's okay. It's just holding your thread. But it also is crucial that the thread, the bobbin itself, has the thread coming off the left-hand side when we drop it in. That allows it that when it is pulled, the bobbin spins counterclockwise. This is also the same direction that after you wind a bobbin on the top of your machine, if you lift it up off the bobbin winding spindle, this is exactly how it comes off. So if you then just come over to the bobbin area and drop it in, it is going to be correct. Next, you see a little path that's kind of right about 5:30 on that clock area, and it has a little arrow on it. Go ahead and take your thread and slip it down that path. What you don't see is that there is a tension area that the thread is getting guided into, but here's a way to guarantee that it gets clicked in properly. Put your finger on the bobbin and pull this thread. You sometimes even hear a little click, but you do feel a little bit more resistance now that I'm pulling it up and following the path as it continues over the top, down underneath, and the little cutter is right here. So see that little arrow? Just pull and it cuts the thread. This distance from the bobbin to that tail is perfect so that when you actually go to sew, you don't have to bring your bobbin thread up on this machine. As soon as you start to sew, that needle thread will catch the bobbin thread and pull it up. And if your machine sounds good when you are sewing, you have threaded it correctly. So if for any reason you're having some trouble, just make sure that that thread is down in that little groove. And here, let me show you one more thing. When it's in there correctly, see that the thread itself, it's underneath there and then flowing up to where the needle will catch it next. So you should see that little line of thread when the bobbin has been inserted correctly and after you've sewn a seam.